We got to figure some shit out. You know what I'm saying? Let's get a little countdown going just for... Boom. Good evening, good people. This is a place I can rest my poor head. Gather my thoughts in sweet silence. And this is a place where the feelings are dead. From an overexposure to violence. Is this a place I can slowly face? The only one I truly can know. These tears from a long time ago. Got these tears from a long time ago. I need to cry 30 years or so. These are tears from a long time ago. Well, oh darling, you say unto me, where have you been all my lifetime? Well, I have been swimming the 7 sad seas. All women have tossed me their lifelines. Well, I'd pull them into the water's darker end. I'd have warned them, but I didn't know. All right, good people. Champy's in a little bit of a sing-songy, contemplative mood tonight, aren't you? Huh? You're thinking about it. He's feeling the feels. He's feeling the feels, that Champy. That Champ Shannon. Good evening, good people. What's happening? I am producerless again tonight, though I do have mods on TikTok. Hey, mods, what's happening? And I guess mods over on, Vicky's over there on the YouTube. Ever Inc. What level cosigner is your dog at? He's a professional. Hey, Danielle, what's happening? Valerie, good evening. Oh, as in evening. Yeah, I thought it was like evenink.ai. The latest craze with all the kids in the AI space. All right. I got my black bar up. I'll go invent it. Oh, man. I didn't mean to cause you any sorrow. Didn't mean to cause you any pain. Only want one time to see you laughing. Only want to see you laughing in that purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you laughing in that purple rain. Oh, good lordy, good lordy, good lordy, good lordy, good lordy. Happy Tuesday, everyone. If you're new here, my name's Kyle Shannon. This is the AI Learning Lab. We will occasionally learn something. I found out just moments ago that David Shapiro, who I'm a huge fan of, and I featured him last night, blocked me on TikTok, or on X. So I can't retweet his shit anymore. So I don't know what's up with that. So I don't know if anyone knows David Shapiro, but tell him to unblock me. I'm pretty sure I didn't do anything to him. You're just in the mood to sing, aren't you? Well, I heard that was a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, minor fall and a major lift. Baffled king composer, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. You still singing? Hallelujah, hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to the kitchen chair. She smashed your throat, cut your hair, and from your lips she drew hallelujah. 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 Something's out of tune. Does Satan wear a suit and tie? Does he work at the Dairy Queen? Does he listen to rock and roll? Does he feed the mean, singing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah? What about Jesus? Didn't he do it too? Yeah, hang out with the prostitutes, have a drink or two. Power of example, my mama said it and I heard. She said 1 ounce of action beats a ton of words. Singing hallelujah. Mama said there would be angels, hallelujah. Mama said there would be sun. All right. What are we gonna do tonight? Ocean's back. Hello, Ocean. Kyle, are you sure he blocked you? It says he blocked me. So how do you feel when people block you on social media? We follow him because you mentioned David. I mean, I don't think I did anything that warranted blocking. I don't think it necessarily means anything. I mean, I think I've seen him mention he's pretty ruthless about blocking people he doesn't want to interact with. So I don't know. It's just a bummer because I think he has smart things to say and I like sharing them with people. And now I can't. Whatever. Minister just sent a gift. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. That cat, exactly, Source Camp. I don't know. Maybe I because I've retweeted him a bunch. Maybe I characterized something he said inaccurately. I don't know. I have talked to him a couple of times on there. I'm a buddy on there. Yeah, I know. I've talked to him. I actually offered to. I tried to get him when he was researching his psychedelics book. We did combo, which is psychedelic frog poison. Well, it's not really psychedelic, but it's sort of like purging nature medicine. And I tried to get him with the guy that we did that with, and the guy didn't get back to me. But like I'm decently friendly with the guy, so I don't know. It could also be maybe he did a mass blocking and just didn't mean to do it. What the fuck is going on with my glasses? I think somebody smashed a jelly belly on one of the lenses or something. Because, all right, that's better. All right, so ayahuasca. No, I didn't do ayahuasca. We did. It's called combo. It's frog or toad poison, and they burn little holes in the back of your shoulder, and you basically say, well, how many holes do you want? And you start with I started with 7, and then the next time I did it, I did 9, and then I did 13. And basically, you just it's a wild ceremony. You do some I forget what they call it, but it's basically powdered tobacco. They blow into your sinuses, and that fucking shocks you into existence. and then you get your little holes burned. Yeah, you get your holes burned, and then they put the combo on. It's this little white goo, and they put the combo on your little burn holes, and then your body just absorbs it. It pulls it into your lymphatic system, and then you have to drink. I think it's 3 gallons of water. You have to drink a ridiculous amount of water, 2 gallons of water maybe. And then you just start purging. And what's wild is I did it when you do it with sick people, their purges are black and brown and crazy colors. And when you're not, you just have normal goop. It's wild though. It's kind of like a natural chemotherapy from how I understand the science of it. What was cool about our dude, he was a Native American guy, but he studied Western medicine. He was going to become an MD, and then he decided to go into this stuff. And so he could explain medically all the stuff that was going on. It was pretty cool. Oh, you don't want to get banned on TikTok your last couple of days. Did it help? Not long term. Short term it did, but it was like such a miserable experience that but it definitely purges you. It definitely like resets your system. So that was kind of cool. I think it helped me with some anxiety stuff. I was having anxiety stuff around that time. Oh my God, Red Note. Kyle created an account over there and speak Mandarin. I did create an account on Red Note, except when I ask him to send me a code to verify my phone number, it never sends the code, and then I can't change my name. So I've got my name over there, but I can't do this right now. So has anyone else tried the new GPT Task Functionality? I did, Lori. I tried it earlier. I made one. I didn't make one. I figured what I'd do tonight. So as is my, as is my penchant lately, I'm going to not use my brain. I'm going to have ChatGPT help me figure out how to use tasks. And then I figure we'll just do some tonight. We'll do some that I'll set sort of 5 minutes into the future, and we'll see what it does when it sends it. You can create a task and reminders and ask it to do things for you at specific times. Yeah, I did one. The first task that I did was I said, make an image that is representative of the past 24 hours of my conversation with you, and then write a tweet about it, but keep them all very abstract. So, nothing representational. So I'm going to get, every morning, I'm going to get a picture and a tweet from the previous day's interactions with ChatGPT, like an artistic interpretation of it. So that was my first one. I thought that was pretty cool. Ask for ideas on how to use it. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Which ones did you do, Lori? Wonder if it helps with inflammation. It does, actually. It does. It's worth looking up. You're in California. There'll be lots of practitioners of it there. I think it's KAMBO combo. Yeah, it's a trip. It's a trip. It's not a trip like a hallucinogenic trip, although you do get, out of it. You get more out of it than trippy. Then I asked it for news stories that could be relevant to my business. Yeah, I was thinking about doing that too. I think news stories is a good one. I think, daily affirmations, if you're trying to do daily affirmation stuff. The one thing I was thinking that would be fun is like take all my, when I did that work where I sort of declared who I am, I have all those different statements, is put those list of statements into the ChatGPT and tell it to randomly give me one of those throughout the day. Could be kind of fun. Yeah, why not use Red Note? Why not? why not let our government protect us from the evils of TikTok and go to the the TikTok that's actually owned by the Chinese government? Why not? Fuck them. I get all that stuff on my phone. What would be the advantage of doing it on a GPT? Just that it's it's GPT-4. Like Apple Intelligence is decent, but it's not great. And I mean, I think the thing, Vicky, is I think how we're going to, here's the thing about tasks, as far as I can tell. I assume tasks are something that operators do, right? So what they did was they gave us access to this thing that I have a feeling autonomous agents are going to use. But what they're getting us used to is the concept of what a task is and how to use it and how to schedule it. And as the tech bros on Twitter were saying today, like, oh, is it just a cron job? It's like, yes, it's just a cron job. And ChatGPT is just a wrapper for the GPT API. Interface matters. So making it easy to schedule something, like, let's say you're a writer and every morning you want a story idea, or you want 10 story ideas. Well, write a really good prompt that's got your tone in it. Oh, the other thing that I thought would be fun to cover today is custom instructions has now been updated in ye old ChatGPT. I don't know if y'all have seen this, but if you go into settings and you go to personalization, and then over here in custom instructions, you go to on, and they changed up these fields. What should ChatGPT call you? Kyle, what do you do? And then, you put that in there. What traits should ChatGPT have? And then they give you a little, well, this machine's fucked up with visual display. You can't really read it, but use a formal tone, be casual and chatty, right? So I put in, this is where I put in, for every response, give it a sequential response count, followed by a response title that summarizes the response and include a date. And then I say, avoid overused words, delve, tapestry, vibrant, landscape, realm, embark, vital, moreover, arguably, significant, ultimately. So I've got all that shit in there. I say, don't do that. And then I have little keyboard shortcuts. And then I guess you can add little words, chatty, witty, opinionated. And then anything else you want ChatGPT to know about you. Oh, I've got, you're an unhelpful assistant. Let me get rid of that. I think I did that one night live in here. Advanced. Oh, I see. Advanced, you can turn on and off all this shit. Okay, cool. So there's that. So I'll save that. Enable for new chats. So the way that works for me is if I go, tell me about delving into the tapestry of paradigm change. Yeah, that's pretty funny. All right. So, cliche critique. Response one. So notice where it says response. Oops. Hang on. See where it says response one here, and then it's got the date? That's that thing where I told it to label each thing. Delving into the tapestry of paradigm change, that statement with all the gravitas of a TED Talk titled Buzzwords Unleashed, while the intention is noble. So, anyway, you should go play with that if you haven't played with that. The other cool thing, do you guys know about this thing? The little quote thing right here? So if you're deep into a chat session and you want to go back and have it comment on some section up above, you can just click that reply, those little quotes up there, and it'll quote whatever you have highlighted and then chat from there. Rewrite this as a stand-up routine. So I heard this phrase the other day, delving into the tapestry of paradigm change. Yeah, because saying things are changing is apparently too basic now. We got to make it sound like we're starring in a Netflix documentary narrated by David Attenborough. La da da da. Okay, so if you're a paid member of ChatGPT, you should now see this new GPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks. That's the new thing, and that's what we'll play with. But we're going to go to 01 first. Here's what I'm going to do. I want you to act as a specialist who has won awards for your masterful conceptualization and execution of cron jobs for automating important and inspiring tasks, period. I spelled cron wrong. Oops. For automating important and inspiring tasks. ChatGPT now features the ability to create a task, which is an automated prompt and response where I get notified of whatever the task is, period. I want you to talk to me about categories of these kind of automations that might be interesting, especially knowing what you know about me. I honestly don't know if 01 has access to memory. It may not. Task not available on my account yet. An iPhone, iPad, or Windows PC. Okay. Yeah, I didn't have it for a while, /me. I know. I'm not currently paying for ChatGPT. Is it worth the extras? Yeah, I think so. I think it's worth the $20. I mean, you get access to Sora, which is the video tool. I think you get 50 generations a month, which is nothing for video, but you at least get to play with it. They're about to drop 03. They just dropped this tasks thing. I think this tasks thing is bigger than people realize. But maybe not. We'll see. Again, I think this is the precursor. You've got code interpreter in there. You've got Canvas, which is this document editor that's got, all sorts of cool shit in it. It can see. You get advanced voice, which if you haven't played with advanced voice is, potentially, depending on your use case, worth the $20 just on its own. Advanced voice has vision now. So Kelly Camp, who's probably in here tonight. Oh, yeah, she's in here tonight. Kelly Camp has been using GPT voice with vision. So she's been working on building some software. She's not a coder. And she's like building like a Wix website or something like that, right? And so she's got her phone on a stand next to the computer, and her phone is looking at the Wix page, and then she's just talking to it and saying, well, what am I supposed to do here? It's like, well, you click on that thing. And she's like, that didn't work. They're like, oh, well, you got to pull down that menu and click on that thing and do that other thing. And she used it so much that she got put on timeout for 24 hours. So that's pretty cool. It's got code interpreter where you can upload a CSV file and have it do data analysis on your CSV file. That's pretty trippy. And then you get access to the new shit, So at some point they're going to launch their native image model, their true multimodal GPT 4.0. The O in 4.0 stands for Omni. It's an omni-channel model. So it can make images, but they haven't enabled that yet. So that's coming. O3 is coming. Operators are coming, which are autonomous agents. So I don't know. I think so. Kyle, I also told her to remember my workflow. Oh, cool. Oh, nice. That's smart. Oh, you know what, Source Camp? That's interesting. You could do some interesting stuff with the tasks, because I'm thinking about this, like these tasks. Like I'm wondering how big a prompt you can put into it. I have a feeling you can put in a pretty big ass prompt. In fact, do I want to deal with any of this right now? No, because I've got ADD. We'll come back to that. All right. I'm going to go to Sin City Sipper. We're going to go edit Sin City Sipper. We're going to go to configure. I'm going to go grab all this, the system prompt. This is kind of fun. Okay. So we're going to go GPT-4. All right. So I'm going to say, you're a remarkably innovative bartender, and I want you to share an original cocktail or mocktail every day at 8:40 MT, 8:40 PM MT. You should deliver the drink name, description, recipe, and image of the drink. Here are some instructions to follow. And then I'll paste in my prompt. Oh, well, we put in a new canvas. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, that's good. I'll let it generate an ad. So I just took the guts of Sin City Sipper, and then it's 8:29. Let's just go bang. Got it. Share cocktail daily at 8:40 p.m. Turn on desktop notifications. Allow. Yeah, we're about to enter this weird ass world. You know how right now, if you're like me, you go to you go to whatever sites you go to, and they're like, agree to these terms, and they're like, yeah, whatever, leave me the fuck alone, accept all the cookies, whatever, just leave me alone, right? So you just click yes. But we're about to go into a thing where we're going to be giving permissions to things that are going to go out and do shit for us. So we got to be careful what we give permissions to with it. Like, I feel like the stakes are getting raised on, on what we can do or what these things can do on our behalf. I love the idea of a big ass prompt. Yeah, exactly. Everyone right now is talking about really simple stuff, but why not? Why not do something big and interesting? Task not available on my account. Kyle, I was messing around with Simple AI. Who did you get it to call? I think Simple AI trips me out because it's like I've sort of initiated this thing and it's calling human beings, and they don't know it's a robot. It's many of these people that we're calling are okay. So anyway, so here's another thing about the tasks. So here's our task. You click on the three dots here. You can say view all tasks. And so this is my daily image and tweet. So I can go edit those, right? So there's your little teeny tiny prompt. I assume that these things have a similar context window huh. Tell me to share. It didn't keep all my instructions, that asshole. Save. Huh, that's very weird. All right, so janky is as janky does. These things are going to be jankier than shit. All right, well, we'll see if it actually does that stuff. Let's see. Trying to think what would be an interesting. I mean, every morning go find me news stories on X, Y, or Z. I have the same problem. I have the same problem with this is setting up all the reminders and the push notifications on the iPhone. It's like when you can do everything, when you can do anything, you're like, well, where do I even start? What do I do? The difference here is it's connected to ChatGPT. So you should be able to do some pretty cool shit. But the fact that it didn't just remember my prompt kind of pisses me off. Well, we'll see. We'll see what it does. All right. All right. I hope my AI agents don't start shorting stocks and cryptocurrencies using my ID, bank account, and credit. I don't think they're just going to go rogue like that. I think we've got to give them all the permissions, and I assume you would give it permissions to say, before you do any trading, consult with me. Or you can trade up to $100 or whatever it is. But I don't know. We won't know. All right, let's see. Every day at 8:45 p.m. MT, write me a sonnet in iambic pentameter like ye ol' Shakespeare. And the topic can be anything. Anything but love. All right. We'll see if we get a non-love sonnet at 8:45. All right, we got 5 minutes. Questions, thoughts. What do the folks here think of Grok? I think Grok is getting not bad. So for one thing, you can now go to grok.com just like you can go to chat.com. You can go to grok.com, and it's a standalone website. I don't know if you knew that. Let me see if they changed anything. Switch to temporary chat. There's your chat history. You can attach something. Displays results as images. Visualize. Why visualize and not pictures? Search. Model only. Raw response without any search. Why do you think David Shapiro blocked me on X? Wait. That's all generic bunk. Look at my posts and tell me if you think I was a tool. Based on insights I can gather, without quoting them, there's a playful, sometimes humorous tone. Your posts show a critical view of some tech practices, particularly around automation, AI societal impact, and how companies like OpenAI are perceived, which could be interpreted as provocative. Were you a tool, annoying or overly aggressive? This is still generic bullshit. Tell me about me as a cutting roast comic. Wait, no. No, I mean roast me, you idiot. All right, buckle up, Kyle. You think you're the next big thing in AI commentary, but let's be real. Your posts are like trying to explain quantum physics to a goldfish. Lots of splashing around, no real understanding. Your tech insights more like tech insights, because all you seem to see is your own reflection on the screen. You think every tweet is a groundbreaking revelation. Who wrote this? Pate, do you work for Grok now? What does it tell you about the hearings today? Oh, God. How awesome did the hearings for Defense Secretary go today? Controversy and scrutiny, political divide. No, really? Political and public reaction, performance. In summary, the hearings were far from smooth, characterized as political theater. Buckle up. That's what we got coming. What did you do? I know. What did I do? Exactly, Michael. The hell did I do? All right, it's 8:39. We should be getting, what did I wanted a cocktail at 8:40, right? All right, it's 8:40. Let's see if we get a, where's my ChatGPT? There it is. We'll see if we get a little notification. There we go. Try the Desert Mirage mocktail. Oh, look at that. It worked. How cool is that? That's awesome. That's awesome. All right, so every night at 8:40, assuming I've got my web browser open, we're getting loaded, people. Oh wait, this is non-alcoholic. That's exhausting. Booze this puppy up. A little rum. Went with a little rum, a little dash of cayenne pepper. Make me a fancier photo of the drink. You know what I should have done, because I'm an idiot? I have a feeling behind the prompt where it simplified my prompt. I have a feeling it kept all the detailed prompt there. I don't think I needed to add that extra shit in there. That would be an interesting experiment to do. That looks nice. The desert mirage. That looks like a desert mirage, doesn't it? Sin City Sippa. Sin City Sippa. Maybe the mocktail part is the mirage. Oh, man. All right. And then in 3 minutes, we should get a non-love subject sonnet. And I'll do a dramatic reading for you all because I'm insufferable. All right.
You can make money with ChatGPT.
Is that related to the goldfish they taught to drive? What does a goldfish drive, you ask? A tank. Get it? Good Lord. Oh, man. So I haven't been posting much on TikTok. I posted about tasks today, and I've been posting, hey, are you scrolling? That dude. But I'm like, why post there if they're gonna shut the fucking thing down? What's going on here? All right, who's got questions? What do you want to do tonight? What do you want to do? We can do I figured we could do some video stuff. We could play around with Vicky found. There's Jelly Pod, and then Vicky found this fall thing. But that just says dashboard. Play dialogue. Play AI dialogue. Why? Oh, it says it's inactive. Oh, there we go. Now it's active. Run. So this is an open source thing that makes a little podcast. Oh, wait, you can't hear that. Hang on.
What a match. It had me on the edge of my seat.
Same here. That last-minute goal was unreal. Who's your MVP?
Gotta be the goalie. Those saves were unbelievable.
Absolutely. Saved the day, literally. Are you planning to watch the next game?
Oh, you bet.
Yeah, it's not great, but it's not bad. Dexter. We'll have Dexter talk to Tilly. Ava. Dexter's going to talk to Ava. Australian. All right, and then we're going to go. Oh, I got to change the golly. Copy this, go to ChatGPT. I'll be right back. Oh, wait, did I get? Yes. Okay, so here's something cool to know about tasks. Tasks show up just in your ChatGPT. Wait, hang on. I'll show you my sonnet. This is a clever way to get people to use ChatGPT. Because it shows up in ChatGPT. They're like, wow, I got a poem here. I might as well do something with it. The clockwork dance of time. Upon the steely arms of ticking time, the hours march, relentless in their tread. Every second whispers softly in its rhyme, a fleeting moment gone, a life well spread. The gears of fate within the clock do grind, unyielding in their duty, firm and true. They turn and twist, the past left far behind, a journey endless, ever born anew. It kind of sucks, but we could probably fix that, couldn't we? So write a sonnet. Do I know that this is? Yeah, look. Okay, so you click on the task name and it gets you back here. Write a sonnet in iambic pentameter on any other subject than love. See, I have a feeling we got to find a way to test this. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to say every day at 8:55 p.m. I want you to write, let's see, to make a 16 by 9 wide image inspired by a poem of your choice. Only use Emily Dickinson, T.S. Eliot, or Chaucer. Let's see. Do not choose poems that mention birds or fields. All right, fields. The style of the images should be high contrast, black and white. How are we doing on time? Or sepia, or cinematic. Hide a blue rubber ducky in each image that is hard to find, but there. And then include the text of the poem you made the image about. Okay, boom. So here's our thing. So we're going to go edit this. So now it just says, create a 16-minute inspired by a poem, no birds or fields, high contrast, black and white, sepia or cinematic style, blue rubber ducky. Okay, so we asked for 3 specific poets: T.S. Eliot, Emily Dickinson, and Chaucer. So when we get our poem, we'll have to see who's it from. What if it's from one of those 3? Then I think we're okay. Then we know that this is not the full prompt. That the full prompt is actually in there. This is fascinating. Fascinating. The reason I'm thinking this is how custom GPTs work, by the way. So if you're good at custom GPTs, I have a feeling you're going to be good at making these kind of things. And I don't think within a GPT, I don't think you can flip it to task mode, can you? Content failed to load. No. Got it. I'll make it every day at 8:55. So we'll just wait for that thing to come in now. Testing tasks on my Android. O/O. That's me. Out. Source camp. We find each other to check. Mighty networks. Oh, Danielle. Hey, Lou. Minimax now has an open sourced model and 1,000 free points. Interesting. Hey, Lou. Reimagine video creation. Halo New Year's fireworks. Quick create. Subscribe for more credits. Where's my 1,000 credits? Try now. Oh yeah, I made a video. That looks decently like me. That's interesting. Sort of a Japanese burned out businessman version of me. Oh, I see. Got it. Kyle is concurrently streaming on YouTube. I am. I posted a link on the Salon. All right, let me go to the Salon. Where'd you post it? In Irregulars? Did you tag me in it? No. Where'd you post it? Video? Video chat? Tool Talk? Oh, here we go. Minimax. Minimax is now open source. Scaling lighting attention for the AI agent. Minimax intelligence for anyone. Is this minimax.com? Oh, it is. Holy shit. SV201, because Minimax is really good. Minimax 01, consistent characters, high fidelity. 01 live. Live characters, smooth and vivid and perfect 2D illustrations. Speech. Look at all this shit they have. They dropped some shit, didn't they? Huh. New. Let's go play with this bad boy. Get started free. Bang. Hey, Murphy, what's happening? We should talk AI readiness training. Maybe 2 people noticed the post. I know. That's the deal. That's the deal. It's what you got to do. 100,000 token context window. So this is the API. Oh, I see. So this is all API stuff. Try now. Well, let's do my boring. I got to come up with a video version of this 70s muscle car resto mod rolling through and let's say a massive abandoned factory at midnight with the moon flooding through the broken windows. How can I assist you today? Oh, this is chat. Hang on. So we go to video. Oh, we're back here. Okay. Oh, so the 1,000 credits they give you is for the API, probably. Got it. Minimax text 01. Oh, that's text. Halo video where ideas meet cinema. Yeah, this is this. All right, create. So I've made shit in here. Yeah, you can make basically 2 videos a day. Please select a picture. Oh, character reference. I want text to video. All right. Click on video at the top. I did that. No, you get 1,000 credits on the website. That's not the right place. No, I got 1,000 credits for video generation on the website. Oh, interesting. All right. Well, let's go back there. Well, while that thing's doing that, let's pop this in here. Borkin windows. Broken windows. We'll do video of. Does it do it here? Go. No. Click on video up here. Service temporarily unavailable. Halo.video. That's where I was. That's here. There are 662 people ahead of you. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go back here. So Minimax is now open source products. Halo AI video. Is there a model selector? SV201. No training, no wait. I don't know. I do not know nothing. Well, yeah, that's pretty apparent. Shut up. SV201. All right, these are just things people have made. Oh, I think those are too. Yeah, I don't know. There's a model selector in the bottom of your prompt area. Fine. Oh, yeah. I've only got one model available. Maybe it's image to video? Live characters, smooth, vivid, and perfect for 2D illustration. Live characters. What does that mean? Let's go get a picture. We'll see if we can get a weird Kyle. There we go. Look at that one. bobbing his head to the music. Two jobs in the queue. I can have up to 3. I didn't get my 1,000 points, Danielle. I got nothing. There are 2 models in image to video, then prompt to video, and then one for the character ref. Yeah, I know. Subject reference. I don't know which one they're giving you free credits for because I ain't got no credits. Maybe they're only giving credits to people that David Shapiro hasn't blocked. maybe that's why he's blocking everyone. He cut a deal with Halo, with Minimax. Reshma Thomas, what's happening? What model is this? This is, I'm on Halo, so Minimax. But if you go to HAIL, here, I'll type it in the thing and I'll put it up on screen. HAILUO .video. Is that it? HAIL. No, UOAI .video. UOAI .video. Okay, so there's that. So if I put that up there. See that over there? Can you read that on the TikTok screen? I don't think you can. There you go. That's better. Video generation in progress. So that's the 70s muscle car one. Anyway, well, yeah, this is a really good model. If you haven't subscribed to a model, this isn't a bad one. But honest to God, I don't even know where to begin with video. They're so complicated at this point. There's so many. It's if you want to get usable video for an actual story, you're going to be spending a lot of money, or get your ass in a creator program. Who dis? This is Halo. They're all so janky. All these video tools are they're just janky. They are just janky. Okay, let's go back to new chat. Is this the 01 chat that I started? Yes. Okay. Potential categories for Chron-Based Automations: community engagement alerts, automatic prompts to post discussion starters, event reminders, or success stories. That's not a bad idea for the Salon. Time notifications for new member welcomes or milestone celebrations. Huh. And have it just write something new and original each time. Actually, you know what'd be interesting? Let's go to the AI Salon. By the way, if you want to know where I am, go to there. Why does he sing like that? It's really. Does he know he's annoying? Does he know he's annoying? Does he know? Does he know he's annoying? He's aware of it? And why does he keep asking like this? Who watches this? They're called the Irregulars? Well, I would imagine. Oh, they call themselves that? Oh my. I don't understand. It's very confusing for me. It's very confusing for me. It's very confusing. Okay. There's that. Let's go get some values. All right, then let's go to the Salon.ai. The Salon.ai. Welcome to the Salon. We are a community of optimists. Festivus and Murphy. There's our Festivus. Let's go over here. We'll go. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'll get back to you. I'm just copying and pasting some content for right now. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to copy all this. So here's a bunch of shit about the AI Salon. Then we're going to go back to ChatGPT. This one right here. We're going to flip it into scheduled mode. We'll do this for 9:15. Every day at 9:15 p.m. I'll actually change this one because this is kind of cool. Every day at 9:15 p.m., search the web for the most interesting and popular news story about generative AI. Let's see, generative AI. AI frontier model companies, the future of work, or creativity using AI. Let's see. Then write a nice news story that how do we say this, that quotes, no, let's write a nice news story not a nice news story, write a post about the news story with a hyperlink where the hyperlink is visible so people can see it if they print it, and tie the news story to the AI Salon, which, let's say, here is information about the Salon. To draw from. This is a good one. All right, so there's all of our values. Let's see. AI Salon community values. All right. At 9:15, search the web for the most interesting and popular news story about generative AI, frontier. This should be a semicolon. I never know this shit. You know what I could ask? I could ask fucking ChatGPT. Don't use your brain anymore, people. All right. Oh, and I got to, yeah, we're in tasks. Okay, so I'm going to go. Did it do it? Come on, creating task. All right. Search generative AI news. Sure, I'll check each day at 9:15. Now let's go look at our little prompt. Yeah, so it consolidated the instructions here, but I have a feeling it kept the other shit in the background. We'll see. All right. Know what I'm thinking? Oh, wait. Oh, you don't want to know what I'm thinking. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Shagank. All right. What are we going to do for 3 minutes? The future of fun. I don't want to work anymore. Mary, hey, AILL fam, what's happening? Better write every weekday on these prompts. Nah, I don't care. I think what I'm going to have to end up doing, because I'm probably going to be demoing these a lot as we start to figure out interesting things to do with them. And so I'll have to go in and prune them every now and again. Check out the voice thing that you made. I did check it out, but I was gonna go make new script. I don't think I ran this with the new voices. So Dexter's the English dude and Ava's the Australian, Dexter's the American dude and Ava's the Australian lady. Hello, Ava. How are you? All right, let's see. American dude, Australian lady. Wait, hang on. Wait, what time is it? All right, we got time. Welcome to Chat ADD. I'll be your host today. And by hosting...
Hey, did you catch the game last night?
Of course. What a match. It had me on the edge of my seat.
Same here. That last-minute goal was unreal. Who's your MVP?
Gotta be the goalie. Those saves were unbelievable.
Absolutely. Save the day, literally. Are you planning to watch the next game?
Oh, you bet. I'm already stocked up on snacks.
All right, so let's go grab this. Let's go to a new ChatGPT window. I got one over here. This is why we have extra tabs open, people. Oh, I wonder if it's just gonna blop the thing in the middle of this chat. I bet it is. I want you to, let's see, come up with 20 humorous micro podcast ideas with 2 speakers where the script is formatted like this. Oh, wait. New AI tool edits 10,000 images. Adobe's AI tool revolutionizes AI image editing. January 14th, 2025. Adobe has introduced a groundbreaking tool, Firefly Bulk Create, capable of editing 1,000 images simultaneously. At the AI Salon, we champion the mindful exploration of generative AI's transformative potential. Adobe's latest advancements exemplify how embracing such technologies can unlock unprecedented opportunities, blah, 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 by fostering a community where novices and experts collaborate. That's from our stuff. We empower individuals to fully explore and harness AI tools, leading to powerful creations and generous leadership in an AI-driven future. And here's the link. Now, it didn't do what I wanted. It didn't show me the URL. But that's pretty fucking cool. Huh. So let's go grab. That's pretty fucking slick. Whoops, what did I do? I'm an idiot. Yeah, well, we know that. we learned that over the past 2 years. Kyle's a dum-dum. All right. God, did I do it again? What did I do? I just wanna highlight some things. Oh. I can't. Can I copy this? Copy. Okay. Oh, I'm not sharing this anymore. Oh, dang it. Oh my God. I hate this screen sharing shit so bad. I can't even tell you. I get all wrapped up in shit. And then okay, so what was I just doing? I was over here in my ChatGPT. Here's the article that came in. Adobe's AI tool revolutionizes image editing. Adobe's introduced this. Was this from today? Oh, it was from yesterday. Okay, that's decently new. Fine. And so I copy this, and then I go to the AI Salon, and I go to the AI News, and then I just go, boom. Yeah, see, it didn't bring over the stupid fucking URL for the article, so I got to go get that manually. I don't want to have to do work here, people. See, I think we killed the date. But that's not bad. Yeah, you gotta do a little fixing. But like, I love this thing where it's like, it does a little bit of values reinforcement right in there. That's pretty slick, people. Pretty fucking slick. All right, if you're not writing news articles for the AI Salon, you don't have any fucking excuse now. Go do that. Question, please, with AI. Wait, when? Hang on. With AI, when should we lay back, enjoy a drink, and let it do all the work? When should we be aware and in control of the situation? Well, none of these tools right now are good enough that we can lay back and enjoy the drink. I don't think that's going to be for, it's like Tesla full self-driving, right? Elon Musk said that was going to be done 6-8 years ago, right? They're still in perpetual beta, right? Is it getting better? Yeah. Is it getting close? Yeah. Is it probably going to be soon? Yeah. But that's what I think AI agents are going to be like. That they're going to take a while. They are going to take a while. So I think we'll be in the driver's seat for a while, but the clever ones of us are going to get good at these agents sooner than later, because when people realize what's possible, they're going to be like, I got to have an agent. I got to have an agent. Who knows anything about that? And if it's you, you'll get hired to do that. The English with the French accent is Baptiste. Oh, that's funny. You know what's kind of cool about the thing that we did, this thing. It's you know what this is like, Source Camp? This is cool. This is like these tasks are kind of like an invisible custom GPT, right? You can make like a sort of single use, activity, a thing that sort of just blurts out something. But think about Jim Ross. I don't know if Jim Ross is in here tonight. Jim Ross could make an output for every one of his client, a personalized output for every one of his clients, and just space them out 5 minutes apart, right? Write an email. Hey, I was just thinking about you, right? And it knows who that client is, what they're about. It goes and finds some storage related news item. It literally doesn't matter what the fucking news item is. And then just, every morning or 3 times a week, he just sends a note out. Hey, I was just thinking about you. Hope this is cool. Copy, paste, send. Now, I know you could do all that in Zapier. You've been able to do that for 2 fucking years. I know that. That's not the point. The point is, there's something about having it be kind of an informal feature inside this tool we already use, where you can just go, oh, that's a cool prompt. Let me just send that to myself. It's pretty slick. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Let me go to this. Write a sonnet. I'm going to get rid of that one. Delete. Create a wide image. I'll get that tomorrow morning. Oh, no. Let me edit that. Let's change this to 10:45 a.m. Oh, that's my poem. Oh, wait. Did I ever get my poem? Wait. Cancel that. Cancel. Wait. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes, I want to cancel. Oh, did I kill it? What did I do? Create wide image. Okay, that's it. Okay. Wait, where? Did I ever get that image? It's not in that chat. Might be in the Sin City Sipper chat. There's the Sin City Sipper dude. Did I ever get my poem? When did I set the poem for? New chat. No. I don't know. Lost it. All right. I had posted a link to the 1,000 free credits to Minimax, but it looks like the post has been removed from the AI Salon. Now I can't find it. Looked similar to my other Minimax post with a different link. Do you remember where you posted it, Danielle? Because you posted the one that I saw here. There's Danielle Togas. Now open source, scaling lighting attention. So wait, continue. Oh, here. Try now for free. Minimax.com/English. This is where we were before. New. Oh, they have a music one. Yeah, it's all API stuff. Huh. Oh, you put it in news? It's Grok. I don't see it. Okay, let's see. I love AI, but it's not ready to run my business. Nope, not yet. It's not. Stuff I posted today has been moved, so there's no telling. All right. Dink, 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 dink. All right. Are we going to do anything else? Oh, we were going to go. Wait, we had this thing writing. No, that's writing that. That's the paradigm change one. Where'd my... Hey, Kyle, if you try the Red Note verification late night, it works best. Their servers are a little overwhelmed. Thanks, Daisy May. That's actually a good idea. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that. Oh, man. All right. Any other thoughts, questions? Go play with tasks. I mean, this feels like, okay, here's the thing. The importance of this is not what it does, because as every technologist out there is going to point out, you can do this in 1,000 different ways. But the significance of this is, I think tasks is going to be a component of a larger thing. So if you get good at doing these and figure out what are interesting things you can do with tasks, I have a feeling you're going to be able to group tasks together. I wouldn't say we're lazy. I'd say that we're at a period of rest when AI takes the wheel, where people take the time to figure out what they want to do with their life. Well, I think the time to do that actually is right now. I really do. I think more than any other time in my life, the thing that feels crystal clear to me is that for the first time in human history, that I think for the first time in human history, you're going to be able to imagine something and for the most part be able to do it. And it's going to get better and better and better and better, right? So right now you can make songs that are sort of good and images that are sort of good and videos that are not great, but certainly better than they were a year ago. Well, a year from now, it's going to be even better. And a year after that, it's going to be even better. So then you start to get into this philosophical place of, if you could do anything, what would you do? Well, I'd make some money. Okay, right? You know,
You can make money with ChatGPT.
I'm right there with you. Well, spin up a business. Oh, okay. It'll go off and spin up a business. Spin up one that succeeds. It'll go off and do that. You know, I think we'll have to participate for a while, but I saw a popular TikToker using HeyGen to make videos in Mandarin. Interesting. I'm still mad at Shapiro, but I also had a fever. I'm actually not mad at Shapiro. I don't like he's a very, like, I feel like he's a very fair guy, and if he thought I was saying something I didn't or whatever, he might have just huffed and banned me. But like, it could have also just been a mistake. He might have just been mass banning a bunch of people and just threw me in there. I don't know. I'm not mad at him. It would be nice not to be banned by him, because I'd like to repost his shit, but maybe he doesn't like his shit being reposted. I don't know. I don't fucking know. All right. What's going on over here? Oh, I've been missing all of the TikTok posts. All right. I finally know what I want to be when I grow up. Joy Purdy is killing it with the movie making stuff. She is on a path. That's so cool. I missed how you find tasks. So you find tasks in the drop down menu. So when you go new chat, it's this number 2 thing here. GPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks. And see how it says beta? That says to me that they snapped this thing off from some larger feature suite, I think. I don't think this is operators. I think this is just tasks. I think operators are going to operate tasks and probably some other shit. And I have a feeling tasks are going to get smarter. Like right now, tasks only are responding inside ChatGPT, but at some point they're going to be able to hook up to Gmail. Did you know? I didn't know this. I think I knew this, but I forgot. If you go to settings and you go to connected apps, I've got Google Drive connected here. I should be able to. Let me see if I can do this. Yeah, here's this. I wrote this document on agent landscapes. Let me go grab this URL. Oh, except that URL's shared. Like it's open to everyone. So let me go find another something. Yeah, this is good. This I don't think I made public. No. Okay. Done. So I should be the only one that can see this. So if I go here, copy, and I go to ChatGPT, and I go, tell me about any ideas for Act 2 here. I can't access documents. I can't view the contents. I don't know how you use Google Docs then. How are you supposed to? Oh, because I'm in tasks. Hang on. Try now. Nope. You can copy and paste the sections. So what does it mean to connect my apps? Maybe that's only for custom GPTs? It must be only for custom GPTs. Connect apps to access their information in ChatGPT. Anybody know how to do that? How can I access Google Drive Docs? I have Google Drive connected in Chat GPT settings. Setting. Well, those are both shitty answers. I don't know. All right. I'm going to get out of here. Hey, you guys, can I come up? I have a question for the class. Yes. Come up. Raise your hand, Dan. Come on up. Oh, wait. Brandon's not here. How do I get you? Do you have an invite from before? It should be the same. You probably don't. Why would you? Oh, wait, invite. Okay. Guests can stream to their own destinations. Yeah, well, all right. Copy that. All right, Ann Murphy, I'm going to email you. Copy. Oh, look at this. I get every time a task happens, it shows up in my email. All right, let me send something to Ann Murphy. All right, there you go, Ann Murphy. That's in your inbox. Come on up. I'm flying solo tonight. You're on the phone, okay? Okay. then don't come up. But you have the thing. You have the power. So if I see you over there, I will come get you. Let's see. How am I going to see here? I got to do that. All right. If Kyle ran X spaces in the background, we could scream at him. Oh, that's not a bad idea, actually. Use a paperclip. Can I do on TikTok? Yeah, you can do on TikTok. Although the people on YouTube won't be able to see you. John Cage is in the house. Steve O. Captain Mutt sent a donut. Thank you, Captain Mutt. Thank you for the donut. Jason's been saying that. Oh, the spaces thing? You know me, Jason. I don't fucking pay attention to anything. People tell me 20 different ideas, and then someday I'm like, hey, you know, I have this really good idea. Oh, is it okay on the phone, Ann Murphy? It would be better on the other one because on TikTok, only TikTokers can see you, and the YouTube people won't be able to. Mr. IT, I'm lost. Help. Okay, what do you need help with? GPT tasks? Just go schedule a task. Have them come to it. Select tasks from here and then just say, every day I want you to blank, or every month, or every December 15th. I think I lost Ann Murphy. She's like, if I can't do it on TikTok, I am out of here. Wait, what? With what? Oh, that was a copy and paste thing. Oh, there's Ann Murphy. All right, she did it. I added Ann Murphy. Boom, there we are. Oh, except your camera's black. And now we can't hear you. Wait, oh. Wait. Remove, add to stage. There she is. Can you hear us? Hello. Hello. Oh, she's on a phone call. Or she's no. Wait for it. Wait for it. She doesn't just cook lentils. She's also a technologist. I'm allowed to pick on you, right, Ann? Smoothie. Very nice. We still can't hear you, though. Wait, you might be able to. Can we hear you now? You're in here twice somehow. Edit mic settings. I don't know what to tell you. We'll remove that one. Now your Wi-Fi is all herky-jerky. She can do charades. Okay. First 3 words. First word. My Murphy will catch on. Oh, wait. Did she add to stage? Hello. She's up there twice. Remove. Hello. I got nothing. She's doing sign language. All right, she's gone. I don't know what to say. Okay, so I guess do TikTok. Just pull up on TikTok. It'll probably be better. Whoops. just pull up on TikTok. And then the YouTube people will just have to deal. Maybe it's on her end. Yeah, I think she might have had a little bit too much of that fruit smoothie. Did you notice the consistency of the fruit smoothie? I don't think it was just fruit. You know what I'm saying? Right? Maybe the fruit got a little rancid at some point. You understand? You understand what I'm saying? I'm not saying she's tipsy. I'm not. I wouldn't say that about someone else. I don't even know if Ann drinks or not. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying. It's just seemed like there was a lot of smoothie missing. Fermented fruit. Exactly. It's just, the strawberries could have turned. I'm not even saying it was intentional. Brandon and Donnie need to coordinate the tech side. All right. Well, Brandon's in Vegas this week. I think he's out getting drunk right now. He's out with the client. What did he said he was voluntold to go on this trip. California sober here. There you go. She's got some smoothie action going. Oh man, you're gonna look bad when TikTok didn't go away and wish you'd just stuck with it. I know. It's so true. Oh man. All right. Well, listen, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. And let's coordinate this tomorrow. Why don't you reach out to me and we will actually do a plan for tomorrow, and we'll bring you on tomorrow night. All right, because we got to talk about our AI readiness training. February 1st, it's coming. Are you ready for AI.com? Let me put that on the screen here. Are you ready for AI.com? This is a training that Ann and Vicky and I are putting together. There was a big request from the participants of AI Festivus, and so we're doing it. We're building this thing, and it's really cool. Like what's been put together so far is very, very cool. Are you ready for AI.com? Yeah, that's correct. So go there, you sign up. We don't have pricing finalized yet, so we don't know what it'll be, but we'll have that soon. All right. Is anybody ready? No. I mean, that's kind of the point. What we were originally gonna call it an AI literacy training, and what we realized is that you can't be AI literate right now. Things are changing too fast, but you can be ready. You can start to shift your mindset. You can get into more of a critical thinking mode. You can get into a mindset of curiosity and constant adaptation and constant learning. I think we're all going to need to be in that mode for a lot of years. And so I think you can get ready for that. And if there was a theme that happened across the 24 sessions of AI Festivus, we had 34 speakers across 2 days, 24 hours of programming. To a person, they were all talking about what they were doing personally to try to deal with this AI stuff. Nobody came out and said, here's how you use ChatGPT, or here's how you use this. They were all like, here's what I'm up to in the world. And and by the way, here's some of the tools that I use. But the tools took a back seat to that mindset. And that to me was really revelatory. And that's what this training's all about. So, all right. Okay, good people. Daily mindset. Yeah, treat it like a practice. Like, why go live 5 weeknights, talking about this shit? Good question. People ask me that all the time, but that's why, right? Keep my head in the game. Keep my head in the game. Is it exhausting? Yes. Is just trying to keep up with what's going on exhausting? It's impossible. Just even trying to understand, wait, which was the tool that could do that thing that I liked? The thing with the thing with the thing? It just is what it is. It's where it is right now. All right. You can at least be aware of AI. Ready might not quite be the thing. It might not be. It might not be. But I think by being in community, I think by, showing up stuff like this, you'll be ready. If you're paying attention to this stuff, you'll be ready. It's like when cable TV came out and trying to watch all the channels and learn all the shows. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and that jumped the shark as well. You can't do that either. All right. What did Anne Murphy say that gave someone a lull? How clueless we both are. I couldn't help her. Spin B3, attempting to update ChatGPT to enable tasks, not going very smoothly. Oh, man. All right, everybody. Peace out. I hope you have a good night. Tomorrow night's Wednesday. I'll see you there. If I have any other insights about the new task stuff, I'll share that tomorrow, obviously. All right. But yeah, ready for the tsunami? Yeah, exactly. I mean, it is a tsunami that's coming, and this whole channel is I'd rather be on the surfboard than on the beach. I mean, it's really quite that binary. Like, there's a lot of people like, well, AI's bad, AI's theft, AI's plagiarism, AI's this, AI's that, robots are going to kill us. I'm like, yeah, all of that, fine. Yep, those are conversations to be had. And there's this giant wave coming. And there are two choices. There are not more. Are you going to get on a surfboard and deal with it? Or are you going to sit on the beach? And if you sit on the beach, it's going to fucking suck. That's all I know. That's all I know. This channel is binary. Are you on the surfboard or are you on the beach? If you're committed to staying on the beach, you're going to hate it here. Magic mirror. Okay, I'll do magic mirror in a second. All right, I'm going to get out of here. Peace out, everyone. Hope you have fun tonight. I will talk to you tomorrow.